the Code Alchemist. Ah, noble traveler of time and knowledge, allow me to unveil before you the hidden secrets in this digital codex that invokes an enchanted clock. Incantations of HTML, CSS, intertwine in harmony to give life to this artifact. In this first spell, we invoke the structure of our enchantment. We declare our intention to create a digital clock. The tag is the place where we prepare the magical ingredients, the connection to styles, and the spells of JavaScript. In the body, we create a div, a container for our clock, where time will be revealed to mortals. Here, in the grimoire of styles, we dress our clock with elegance. We use the magic of Flexbox to center it on the vast canvas of the screen. The dark background and bright letters create a contrast worthy of a powerful spell. The clock has a size and a frame that make it stand out, like a jewel in the realm of darkness. Finally, in the JavaScript incantation, we summon the power of time. The update clock function is our main enchantment, which retrieves the current moment and formats it to always have 2 digits. We use set interval to make this spell repeat every second, keeping our clock always updated. The initial call ensures that the clock begins its magic from the moment it is activated. Conclusion. Thus, dear adventurer, with these words and codes, we have conjured a digital clock that displays the time in its splendor. Now, if you wish, you can try this spell in your own realm of screens. May time always be in your favor.